Whether it's in the field of cleaning, agriculture, and even defense, machines that are able to meet their various needs are very much needed. In today's Mighty Machines video, come with us and we'll see the 13 state-of-the-art trucks with incredible features. Watch until the end to get to know trucks that clean the beach, tunnels, and even roads. Tunnels can accumulate a lot of muck and grime over time due to temperature and environmental conditions. This not only reduces its charm, but may also cause a multitude of challenges. This is why tunnel cleaning is always conducted. This Coalass tunnel washing truck is an excellent example of how this is accomplished. Cleaning the tunnel and removing all of its muck and grime is made easier with this machine. Its own pressure washers and brushes are responsible for all of this. These components are also attached to its arms for improved adjustability and cleaning accuracy. Huge events like festivals or other celebrations plan not only on how they are going to prepare things, they also think about the restoration after the event. Since a lot of people are expected to come, a lot of trash is also quite anticipated. In venues with grass, removing and cleaning after these trash can be very challenging. Good thing we have the SKS Cleaning service. With the help of this impressive machine, tons and tons of garbage is cleaned up in one go. This has a vacuum pump that makes all these movements possible, pulling all the dirt and dust, then putting it in the designated bucket. Now, organizers no longer need to stress about the cleaning, plus minimal manual labor is only needed, even with this very efficient cleanup. Did you know that lime is usually added to soil to reduce its acidity, add calcium or magnesium, and reduce the solubility of Ai and Mn in the soil? This is a common practice in agriculture since lime has shown properties effective in reducing harmful effects of an acid soil by neutralizing soil acidity and raising the soil pH. It's quite troublesome to manually do this, so the company Grizzly thought of manufacturing a machine capable of doing so. This is the Tiny 460, a machine used to mix like into the soil. This is able to accomplish these tasks because of its 3.5 meter transport width that can hold from 24 to 32 plates and working widths from 5 to 6.9 meters. On top of that, this is also capable of providing maximum reliability, minimum downtime, and ease of maintenance. Truly a win for the agricultural sector. A shield is something used to protect the ones behind it. Through hundreds or even thousands of generations, shields have been used as a mode of defense for many. The Russian company, Kalashnikov, has integrated this traditional way of defense into a more modern one through their CTHEA wall. This is a shield built at the top of a truck. Once needed, it can be opened and can transform into a 7.5 meter long wall. Since speed is also a priority in these situations, they also made sure that the transformation itself does not take a lot of time. In fact, it only takes 1 minute and 30 seconds to turn it into a wall. What's more impressive is the fact that there are small windows built in it so that they can also respond to attacks. An innovation not only for defense but also for offense. Baler machines compress a cut and raked crop such as hay, cotton, flax, and so on into compact bales that are easy to handle, transport, and store. The Swiss Brophy press is ideal for pressing round hay or silage bales. There is very little loss as a result of the pressing process because the pickup is at the very back in the direction of travel, and raking is no longer required. While the bales are safely transferred to the baling tray, you can continue pressing up the 3 bales with the Swiss Brophy press. Different soil characteristics like its properties, mechanical resistance, friction, and even stratigraphy can be defined using this CPT truck from AP van Den Berg. Since they are working with soil, it is important that this machine is also installed on the ground not only for the right performance, but also to secure balance. This is why a mechanical or electrical probe is also pushed to the ground. However, balance isn't the only thing important in operations like this. With this machine, high weight is not the only feature present, but it also has a counterweight mechanism. This was added so that the machine is also able to provide the necessary penetrative force for the task. The Dell Fab DF703 Phoenix, now stronger with a Tier 4 final engine, is more fuel efficient and effective. This machine, which is typically used in the forestry and land clearing markets, has improved controls, an LED lighting package, an optional backup camera, and a 15% larger redesigned fuel tank system. As a result, in demanding work applications, an estimated 8+ hours of continuous operation is provided. It also includes Dell Fab's own DF718 high-speed 18-inch disc saw and a hydraulic system designed for extended operation in hot climates. For improved performance, attachments such as processing heads, directional felling heads, shear heads, and mulching can be mounted. The DF703 Phoenix's incredible mobility, durability, and serviceability, ease of transport, and significantly cheaper running expenses as compared to four-wheeled units are just a few of the benefits of using it. It's also worth noting that, despite its excellent performance, this only requires about 4.5 gallons per hour. Operations where challenging and even impossible terrains cannot be avoided. Good thing we now have the Panther T16 tracked carrier vehicle. This machine is capable of transporting digger derricks, aerial devices, cranes, drills, and other heavy equipment into the most difficult terrain where wheeled vehicles are not permitted. Now, operators have the confidence that they can work easier on rough terrain and even in situations that require low ground pressure and traction. The Panther T16 is a dependable work tool with the latest microcontroller technology that monitors everything from oil pressure and vehicle parameters to outside air temperature. It also has a powerful Tier 4 final engine and enhanced safety features. An agitation boat is a remote-controlled floating pump system with a series of nozzles. Through its nozzles, the operator is able to direct it throughout the manure storage, direct the flow of manure, and steer it around to better mix the manure. The one you see in the video is the first remote-controlled amphibious agitation boat called the Lagoon Crawler from none. It has such incredible features, like the drop it can give to the vehicle resulting in a 5 feet ground clearance. The machine works by first driving itself into the lagoon. This is where it turns into an agitation boat. To help with operations, it has a quad-port manure pump and 10,000 plus GPM volumes, so that maneuvering to agitate the solids is done easier. After the lagoon is emptied, the four wheels will be lowered so that the machine can drive itself out. The beach is one of the go-to to relaxation or bonding places of families, friends, and couples. However, due to the number of people, a lot of trash can be left along the shores too. This is why the Beach Tech 2000 was made. It has a working width of 1.85 meters, which means that it's able to cover up to 22,000 square meters an hour. This is ideal for medium-sized beaches. Aside from that, narrow access roads and narrow beaches sections are not problems too, since this machine is able to function impressively even with those conditions. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's go to jobs that require paving. This is the Broom and Cure machine from Samoro, a perfect machine for every paving job you might have. This machine works with a dual sonic tracer and state-of-the-art laser technology so that accurate head height and awesome curing during the broom process is provided. Aside from that, it also has the capability to keep the spraying as consistent as it can be thanks to its easy-to-refill 55-gallon capacity drum. Amazing work quality is also ensured because of its 14-foot proprietary broom and sprinkler head. On the topic of cleaning, we can never miss the Hopkins concrete drum cleaning machine. Usually, concrete is glued to the sides of the drum, but the moment the concrete dries, it gets very challenging to remove. However, this is not the case for this amazing machine. It has a water jack that makes the breaking of the concrete bonding a lot easier. Due to its impressive features, the whole cleaning process is done in a lot easier way too. On top of that, safety and efficiency is also increased multiple times since there's no longer a need for a worker to go inside the drum just to clean it. Speaking of maintaining cleanliness, the neutrality truck sweeper should be one of the top machines on that list. This machine is specifically designed to help clean roads, and it has successfully done so thanks to the company's years of experience on the field. This machine has sweeping brushes that function to clean the sidewalks it's able to pass through. It also has high-pressure systems in front of the truck so that dirt on the street is removed easily. Just like similar trucks in neutrality, this has a 13,000 cubic meter per hour high-pressure suction pump. Aside from that, it also has a waste hopper with a volume of 6 cubic meters on the back and a 1,600-liter capacity water tank. This is the end of our list of the 13 state-of-the-art trucks with incredible features. Before we end, we'd like to let you know that we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching!